Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech. Today we're checking out the Amazon Fire HD8 unit. And just got this in today. Haven't even charged it up 100%. Just took it out of the box. It was at about 74%. And yeah, we've just been playing it. I got all my stuff loaded up on it. I tried a bunch of things out, and I gave it to my kids. And they just can't stop playing the videos with it. They really like it. It didn't come with this case. I got with the case because I thought after I was done with it, after I was done reviewing it and everything, I was going to give it over to my kids to use it for streaming, and they just couldn't wait. So I slapped this case on it real quick, and man, they've been watching this thing for probably about 3 hours now. I've gone through all of the stuff I could install on it, and I'm still at 43%. I'm amazed the battery life on this thing is just freaking amazing. It doesn't have all of the availabilities, all of the programs and everything that another unit would have, but still I can't get over just how awesome this little thing is, especially for the money. I got it on Prime Day. That's right, Prime Day actually had some good sales this year. Alright, so this beast has great battery life, expandable memory, which of course is really awesome. Let's check out the CPU ID. We got 4 cores on this system. We're running an ARM type chip. We have about, I believe we have 4 gigs of RAM. Total RAM. No, okay, we don't have 4 gigs. Maybe that's 2 gigs. For some reason I thought it said 4 earlier. Anyways, let's get this thing benchmarked. It is very difficult to use this thing for anything you would normally use on Google because, of course, it doesn't have the Google Play Store. I tried a bit to get the Play Store on it, and it just wouldn't take it. It just wasn't worth my time, really. Let's smack it with a 3D benchmark and see the score that we get compared to other units. This isn't exactly a gaming system, but it can be used for basic gaming. So let me get this thing installed, and we'll see how she goes. Alright, time for a benchmark, folks. We're using 3D benchmark on 3 different units here. I decided to bring the whole family together. I got right here the Pixel, LG G3, and then, of course, the Fire HD, which isn't doing so bad, all things considered. Not too bad. I've seen worse. I've definitely seen worse. Now, I should be said this definitely isn't particularly a gaming system. Now, it should be said that these are on 2 different kinds of benchmarks. This one's the one-shot, and this is the Blizzard one-shot. Apparently this benchmark isn't good enough for this unit, so definitely for $100, not bad though. These 2 systems that I got used, this one was about 130. The Google Pixel LG G6 was about $200 a year ago used, but still not too shabby. Definitely great for the price when it comes to new, right? Alright, I can't even get a benchmark of it. So ultimately, here's how it goes. As an Android, it's a bit of a failure. As an Amazon-centric media display unit that you have to consume media with, purchase media, it is freaking great. I am so happy with this thing. I mean, my kids love it. They can't get enough of it. I can't get any of my Google stuff to work on it without putting a lot of time into it, which kind of sucks. I can't get any of my Google stuff to work on it. But did I really get this for Google and Amazon stuff? You know, not really so much. I got this because my kids are fighting over the iPad, and I wanted a cheaper something to keep one of my kids happy. And a lot of times with Android, that's exactly what it's there for. An Android tablet's there because you just don't have the money to buy another tablet, or sorry, another iPad. But seriously, this thing's good. I got the case secondary. Got this unit for about 75 bucks Canadian rupees, and once again, for Android, it doesn't really give me the Android edge that I want, but it does run all the streaming services, have a direct link to Amazon, and do everything that you would want to consume media with. That's it for me, folks. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. It's always appreciated. And as always, folks, take care of each other, eh?